How to become a blockchain developer, a step-by-step guide. Blockchain technology is supposed to revolutionize the way to the digital world handles data and does business. Initially created as a platform for supporting Bitcoin, blockchain is demonstrating a level of versatility and security that has made many sectors of business and government take notice and begin putting it to their use. With that in mind, it makes sense that if you want to jump into a career that has a lot of potential for growth, featuring a dynamic new technology that is just getting started, then you should consider becoming a blockchain developer. If this prospect intrigues you and you want to know how to become a blockchain developer, continue to see this video and find out you need to know about this exciting and intriguing profession. What does a blockchain developer do? Now that we got that out of our system, let's take a serious look at what a blockchain developer does. To best answer this question, we first need to establish that there are two different types of blockchain developers. There is the core blockchain developer and the blockchain software developer. Call them subdivision of blockchain development. A core blockchain developer designs the security and the architecture of the proposed blockchain system. In essence, the core blockchain developer creates the foundation upon which others will then build upon. What others are we referring to? That would be the blockchain software developers, of course, who use the core web architecture built by developer to create apps, specifically the decentralized dApps and web varieties. Perhaps there may be a situation where the same person fulfills both roles, most likely in cases where the business is small and people traditionally wear more than one hat, whether we case the everyday responsibilities role of blockchain developer are design the blockchain protocols, design the network architecture that can be used for centralizing or decentralizing the data, backend developer according to the blockchain protocols, developing front-end designs according to client requirements, developing and monitoring any smart contracts. The blockchain developer's responsibility is to develop innovative solutions to challenging problems, including solution for command control and high heterogeneity. The developer also performs complex analysis, design, development, testing, and computer software debugging. Specifically for distinct product hardware or for technical service lines of business. Develops perform software design, operating architecture integration and computer system selection. Finally, they operate on multiple systems and apply knowledge of one or more platform and programming languages. Of course, obstacles are awaiting the blockchain developer. For instance, the developer has to work with legacy infrastructure and its limitation, while still meeting the expectation inherent in a blockchain development project. Also, there are challenges of understanding the technical practically or implementing decentralizing crypto system, processes that fall outside of the traditional IT developer skill set, which means a blockchain developer needs specialized skills. How does one become a blockchain developer? So, after all of that, the question presents itself With all of these responsibilities, how does one train someone with the necessary skills to let them rise to challenge of blockchain development? There are different situations at work here. There are blockchain hopefuls who are starting completely from scratch, having no background in programming whatsoever, and those who have experience in careers that share similarities with blockchains. What kind of mindset do you need to become a blockchain developer? Before we dive into those two different types of people aspiring to become blockchain developers, it may help to familiarize ourselves with the kind of mindsets that are best suited for blockchain developers. After all, the unique challenges of blockchain development require a certain unique way of thinking. Whenever you hear the word hacker spoken aloud, it's not usually in a positive light. No self-respecting business wants an elitist to do with hackers. Well, except for ethnical hackers, but that is a different story for a different time. However, it's precisely the hacker mentality that helps make good blockchain developers. That is because hackers tend to think outside the box when faced with problems and obstacles, rather than engage in conventional thinking. Furthermore, a good blockchain developer works well with a team and can collaborate. On a related point to ideal blockchain developer knows when to ask for help with a problem and also how to pulling away by themselves until they arrive at the answer. So the best candidate for blockchain developer works well with others, knows his or her limitation, and can unconventionally approach problems. For those who are completely new to programming and development, if you are someone who wants to become a blockchain developer but has no related skills or experience to build a foundation on, then frankly, the road is going to be a little tougher for you and will require more work and dedication. Fortunately, there is hope. Here are some tips to anyone coming from such a place but yet is interested in a blockchain developer career can take. So, it's all for part 1. In next series we will also talk why blockchain was needed in the first place. Also we will learn more about blockchain developers, try to understand difference between other programming language. Thank you for watching. Bye.